privileged to be part of the people that were at the summer film camp, looking at how much we've learned and how much we are able to do after the lessons and everything that we learned. I'm able to write scripts, I'm able to direct, I'm able to, oh my god, I'm able to act and see there's something wrong. So I feel after the summer film camp, there's a lot that has changed in me. I've become more professional, and there's just a lot that I can be able to give out in the media, you know, industry.
From the summer film camp comes a story that will leave you at the edge of your seat. In the Name of Love. A story of love punished by hardships, true love damaged by bad company. In the Name of Love.
Yesterday I met that guy. He's really wasted my time.
Let's face it, Henry. You and I know that we're just playing around. I don't need a dream wedding.
Okay, I'm actually not a student for the summer film camp, but I was casted at the last minute. But just to see the way they had to write the whole movie, direct it, produce it, I think they really learned a lot, and I really had fun working on that set. It was epic.
Initially, all I was interested in was acting, that's all. But when I attended the summer film camp, it brought in a lot. So yeah, the summer film camp was a very good experience for me.